Hi, Stuart Barn here, and this is video 5 in this series on the major pentatonic scale. In this video we are looking at the major pentatonic scale shape 5. Now, more than the other shapes I think, we really have to be quite careful with this one. The reason being that this is the A major pentatonic scale shape 5. Now that is the same as the F sharp minor pentatonic scale shape 1. It's the same pattern, same notes, but we can't treat it in the same way as when it is played as a minor pentatonic. I'll just show you what I mean. I've got an A in the background, an A chord, and I will show you the A minor pentatonic scale shape 1, which is that, and then I'll show you the A major pentatonic scale, which is this. Same pattern, two different places. See what you think. In particular, I'm going to bend this note, which is a very typical blues sound. Now over in A major, that sounds great, but when I try and do that same phrase, but in this area as a major pentatonic phrase, I think you'll agree it sounds terrible. So here's my A, here's my phrase. Major pentatonic. It's really awful. Now the reason is that this note here, that's a root note. Now you can't do a blues curl on a root note and produce a nice sound, at least not in the way that you can when it's in the minor, when it's a flat 3. If this doesn't mean much to you, music theory, don't worry. The point is, in the A minor pentatonic case, this is a different note to how it appears in major pentatonic. So, as a minimum, it's important to know where the root notes are in this major pentatonic position, and they are here. You can still adapt your phrases from the minor pentatonic, from when it was a minor pentatonic scale. So for example, A minor pentatonic, that sounds good. Now, if I'm going to play that in major pentatonic, well, I actually know that finishing on this note, which is not a chord tone, it doesn't really sound so good. It's okay, but it would probably sound better if I finish on the root note here. Hopefully you agree. Okay, so the chord, with that proviso, let's move on to the actual shape. So this is the A major chord that you should be visualizing when you are using this shape. So that is A major, cage shape 5. And you can kind of see the shape fits perfectly here. There's my root note again. Okay, so let's identify the chord tones and non-chord tones. These are all chord tones, of course, and there is one more note, which is here, the B string, fret 5. All the others are non-chord tones. Just like before, when we play chord tones, the notes are very compatible and at ease with the chord. When we play non-chord tones, they sound more jazzy. So here's an example. Chord tones. Non-chord tones. So as a minimum, I recommend that you resolve your jazziness, give the listener a break. And if you probably mostly play chord tones, that will probably sound better than if you mostly play non-chord tones, unless you have a very unusual taste in music. Okay, as usual, spend some time just playing over a single static chord. Try it in different keys, do F sharp, B flat, E flat, everything. Try in different speeds, different grooves, maybe even different time signatures. Good luck with that. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please click like and subscribe. See you in the next video.